What is up guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video we're gonna learn how we can use the header element. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first you have to go to the element section and you can find a header from here in the collection box. So I will choose header and drag it down to the main page. It's processing. So we have our header here. So header is the first thing that gets to your buyer's attention when he opens your store. So make sure that it looks good. So basically what header is, that it can display your products, your collection list, and etc. So I will go here and I will choose best selling products, and there you go. So we can basically customize everything in it, whatever you like. So starting with the design, you can change it to standard or banner, and you can change the contents position to top left, top center, top right, middle left, or absolute center. I will keep it that way, and then you can check or uncheck both of these, and you have your parallax background option, and you can enable your overlays, and you also have your presets. Currently I don't have any, but you can also choose it from here. Then moving on to the style, and you can change many things with it too. First moving on to the content, so you can add backgrounds like this, but I don't want any, so I'll keep it that way. And you can also add shadows, you can also add borders and everything, and you can change borders radius or everything with it. And you can also play with the spacing here. And then you have your title, and you can change anything in your title, whatever you like. Let's say I don't like the font here, so I can go to the typography, and I can select any font. So let's say that one. Personally I like these options because it provides you many things to play with. So let's say I want to transform it to uppercase, and I can do that too. You can also change the property of the text which gonna appear on that, and you have your overlay section here. And once again you have your advanced section, in which you can do things in a very detailed way. So you have your spacings here, you can play with margins, paddings, and etc. You can increase or decrease the width, you can enable stickies, you can change the position, and you can customize backgrounds, borders, responses, and attributes just like the collection list. So that's it guys, that's how you can add header to your store. And customize it too. So that's it for today guys. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.